Have you ever marveled at the sight of a towering skyscraper or an intricately designed building and wondered, why do these structures stand tall and don't fall? Well, the answer lies in an ancient subject that we all have studied in school: geometry. Geometry, the branch of mathematics concerned with the properties and relations of points, lines, surfaces, solids, and higher dimensional analogs, plays a pivotal role in architecture and design. Despite the complex definition, think of geometry as the building blocks that architects and designers use to create the world around us. Consider a building, any building. It doesn't just spontaneously appear. An architect uses geometric principles to design it. From the initial sketches to the final construction, geometry is the invisible tool that guides the process. The basic shapes you learned in school, squares, rectangles, circles, form the foundation of architectural design. Architects use these shapes to create a blueprint, a plan that ensures the building will stand firm and not fall. But geometry in architecture isn't only about ensuring the stability of a structure. It also plays a significant role in aesthetics, the look and feel of a structure. Have you ever noticed how certain buildings seem to fit into their surroundings? Or how some structures, despite their massive size, seem elegant and pleasing to the eye? That's geometry at work again. Geometry helps architects balance form and function. It aids them in designing buildings that are not only safe and sturdy, but also visually attractive. It helps them create spaces that are practical and efficient, yet also inspiring and enjoyable. But what about the more complex structures, like the pyramids of Egypt or the spiraling towers of modern cities? Here's where geometry really shines. With advanced geometric concepts, architects can design and construct buildings that seem to defy the laws of nature. These structures, while complex, are still based on geometric principles. They're just using a more advanced toolbox. So the next time you see a stunning piece of architecture, remember that there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Behind every curve, every line, every shape, there's a complex dance of geometry at play. A dance that combines science and art to create the world we live in. In conclusion, geometry in architecture and design is like a silent poetry that speaks volumes. It ensures that buildings stand tall and don't fall, adds beauty to structures, and facilitates the creation of complex designs that inspire awe and admiration. It is the unseen force that shapes our world, one line and curve at a time. So the next time you pass by a building, take a moment to appreciate the geometric symphony that went into its creation.